Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we are ripping Marvel 2022 Fleer Ultra Avengers Blaster Box. Growing up as a kid, I used to collect Fleer Ultra NBA cards, and this Michael Jordan Gold Medallion Edition Parallel was my favorite Ultra card growing up. Michael Jordan was one of my favorite players, probably true for a lot of kids growing up in the same time period. And the picture on the card is really cool of him flying up for a dunk. So this was from 1997-1998 Fleer Ultra set that was printed in 1997. So this card's more than 25 years old now, probably 26 years old. So and then after Fleer got bought out by Upper Deck and Upper Deck lost their NBA license, now they have Marvel Ultra cards. So without further ado, let's open it up. It'll be a quick video with only 6 cards per pack and 3 packs per box. Let's see. So in terms of inserts and parallels, there's a lot of the inserts that they used to have back in the 90s. I don't remember if Universe Power Supreme was one, but for sure Jambalaya was used to be a very difficult insert to pull from the EX sets. And there's also Ultra Stars. So a lot of nostalgia from this box, from the same inserts and similar designs as what I was used to growing up as a kid. So let's get started. Each pack looks very thick. So, I'm an MCU fan, but I think these cards are more from the comic books perhaps, so some of the characters I may not know that well, so let's see how many of these I know. Starting off with Black Panther. It's pretty cool, the foil design. It's like a base, and the card stock is pretty thick compared to other NBA cards. Maybe this is, I don't know, maybe 100 point. And then next, we have a pretty cool looking Thor. Then next, this is probably a parallel, and it's a blue Marvel, maybe orange. Not very familiar with this character. Oh, and this one is numbered to 549. It's pretty cool to get number cards from a blaster box. No, NBA and NFL is pretty hard to pull. Wonder if a penny sleeve will fit. If not, I'm gonna... Oh, nice. I was afraid this is too thick for penny sleeves, but fits pretty well. Blue Marvel. I haven't seen this character in the movies yet. Number 51 of 549. Pretty cool. Then next we have... looks like a green parallel of Squirrel Girl. This one is not numbered. I have heard of this character, but I don't think she is in Marvel movies yet. And finishing off, we have Kate Bishop. Know her from Hawkeye and Young Avengers. Wonder if this is a parallel. This may be or insert. It says first appearance. This is probably a first appearance insert. The numbering is FA14. So I guess Kate Bishop first appeared in Young Avengers back in 2005. And then finishing off, we have a Helmet Zemo. I remember seeing Zemo in one, the Captain America TV series, if it's the same character. Okay, first pack, got a number card, even though I don't know the character yet. Don't remember the last time I pulled a number card from any of the NBA or NFL boxes I opened retail. First off, we'll have a hulking base. I think he was in She-Hulk. Then a nice Gamora, now with the new Guardians of Galaxy movie out. It's a base, and then next we have a collector medallion. So I guess this is similar to the gold medallion insert back in the day. Collector medallion. Okay, maybe the medallion is a insert set, and it's a character named Collector. Then next, I know him from the Moon Knight series, the green parallel of Moon Knight. Then next we have, okay, cool, I think there's another insert, Ultra Power Sabretooth. Looking at the odds, Ultra Power is, it doesn't say Supreme, so probably not. Well, actually, Ultra Power, I wonder if this is the 1 in 36, so maybe this one is not very common, but pretty cool. Ultra Power Sabretooth. Then finally we finish off with a Hulk. Is that a base? Silver Age Avengers. I think that's just a base. Okay. Last pack. Maybe this one is somewhat rare with 1 in 36 packs, so 1 in 12 boxes. I will do more research afterwards. Last pack, let's see if there's any last pack Marvel magic. Starting off with a pretty cool looking Gambit base, then a white tiger. I have to say the artwork looks pretty nice on these cards. And then next up we have an Ultra Stars Hulk. And Ultra Stars I think is 1 in 3 packs, so 1 per box. Looks pretty cool. And this one is not as thick a cardstock as the others. Next we have a Black Widow green parallel. Looks like green parallel is 1 per pack. Then this one is Earth's Mightiest Spin-Off, Secret Avengers, Captain America, Beast, Black Widow, and Moon Knight. Okay, I think this is another insert. Okay, so far pretty happy with the break. I'm not sure if I got anything super rare, but design-wise, these look very nice. And lastly, we have Loki base. So overall, pretty happy with the break. You know, based on the odds, I think Ultra Star Skull, the Ultra Powered Supreme Die Cut Black, and Jambalaya are the very difficult pulls, and also some of the checkmates. But I think this Ultra Power is 1 in 36 packs, so 1 in 12 blaster boxes. So pretty cool. Sabretooth, I have heard of him, but not super familiar with his work. So let's have a quick rundown of the pulls. Okay, starting off, we have the 1 number card from the box. Blue Marvel number to 549. Not familiar with the character, but I'll look him up. And then Medallion of Collector, the 3 green parallels, Moon Knight, Black Widow, Squirrel Girl. Then we have a first appearance, Kate Bishop, Earth Mightiest Spin-offs, Secret Avengers, Hulk Ultra Stars, and I'm guessing the best card from the box is Ultra Power Sabretooth. So overall, pretty happy with the results, even though we didn't hit any of the super rare case hits. But really like the design of the cards and the thickness of the cards from a retail product. So yeah, overall pretty happy with the box, and look forward to watching Guardians of Galaxy. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next video. Bye.